Moving on, we are to solve two more questions. So using FOIL, we are to take x and x, the first term in each binomial, and multiply. That should give you x times x. The next, you have O. O means outer, the outer term in each binomial. That's x, and remember, when there is a minus sign attached, always take the minus sign. So I believe you should get x times minus 4. Next, you have I. I tells you inner, the inner term. So there is a minus sign attached to 3. So you need to take the minus sign with you. Minus 3 times x. Last, you have the last term. So last term in each binomial, there is a minus 3 and minus 4. So minus 3 times minus 4. We are now to simplify them. Let's look at the first term we have. X times x, that is x squared. X times minus 4, that is minus 4x. Minus 3 times x, so minus 3x. And you have minus 3 times minus 4. Minus minus should give you plus, and 12. And if you are to refer to the linear term we have, I believe they are like terms again. So we are to simplify them. So minus 4 plus minus 3, factor out the x, plus 12. And I believe your final answer should be x squared plus minus 7x plus 12. And remember, plus minus gives you minus, so let's just remove the plus. And that should give you the final answer. The last example we have, so f, first term in each binomial. Remember that you have a minus sign attached to the first x, so you are to take the minus sign with x, minus x times x. The next, O, outer, so the term that is outside, O, remember that there is a minus 3 and always attach the minus sign. Next, you have inner. Let's take the inner terms, 2 and x. And last, 2 and minus 3. The next step, we are to simplify. Let's look at the first term, minus x times x. So minus remain as minus. X times x should give you x squared plus minus x times minus 3. Let's just ignore the x first. So minus 1 times minus 3 should give you 3. And attach the x plus 2 times x. So 2x plus 2 times minus 3. So plus minus 6. And let's look at the linear term we have. I believe that is another case where you can factor a x and you can operate. So 3 plus 2 inside the parentheses plus minus 6 should give you minus 6. And I believe you should get your final answer as this. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe.